What if I told you this is not your regular beans moi moi? Would you believe? And yes, it's not your regular beans moi moi. I made this with green plantains. What I mean by green plantain is that I made this with unripe plantain, and it's so fluffy, delicious, and everyone loves it. Again, you'll be needing your unripe plantain, crayfish, some eggs, seasoning cube, salt, and of course your pepper and egg to make it more fluffy. When you're tired of eating your regular beans moi moi, try this plantain moi moi out and you let me know what you think. You need to wash and peel your unripe plantain just as you see me do so. One thing I like about this plantain moi moi is that it's very healthy and good for everybody. It's so rich in iron, magnesium, and a lot of other vitamins and minerals, and it's also good for all ages. You know, nothing is a waste in agriculture, so if you are aware you can give your livestock these plantain peels, go ahead and give it to your livestock. It's very healthy for them as well. So after peeling my plantain, the next thing is to go ahead and cut them into smaller chunks. Cutting them into smaller chunks will help my blender do the work very smooth and easy. If you know your blender is not as strong as mine, of course I'm using Silver Crest, you can go ahead and blend in a commercial mailer. Yes, I have this blender for sale and the link to buy it is in my bio. Plantain, I'll be adding 1 bowl of onions and blend all of that together till it gives me a very smooth consistency, just like this. Please do not add too much water as you don't want your moi moi to come out so light. Now with your hand mixer or your spatula, whatever you have, mix all of this together till they are properly combined. Go in with your pepper mix, which are onions, tomatoes, habanero pepper, and the crayfish. All of that blended together, even with my garlic, all of that added into it. For some extra sweetness, I added in some sliced onions. Now added my curry powder, which is the only spice I used in this, and then salt and seasoning. Remember I said you should add your egg to make this more fluffy, and of course this is me adding my egg to make this very use Titus sardine whenever I'm making my beans moi moi, so I'll be adding that also into my plantain moi moi. It makes it so yummy. I love to mash my fish like this so it gives it a nicer taste. Once again, mix all of this together till they are properly combined. Guys, this is not difficult to achieve. If you're a lover of moi moi, you definitely love this. And of course, it came out so nice. Everyone around enjoyed it and still asked for more. So now with whatever you're going to use to cook your moi moi, get that ready and scoop your moi moi into it. Be it foil, plate, or nylon. Scoop your moi moi just like you would have done if you were using beans. Place them into your pot, adding little water. Remember, moi moi is steam cooked and not properly cooked, like using so much water to cook. You understand what I mean? Please note that this cooks faster than your regular beans moi moi. I cooked this for only about 25 minutes and it came out so nice. This is it. I paired mine with some pap fried plantain. I hope you enjoy yours too. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. Again.